Good day fellow hams, good day mga karadyo. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. For this video, we're about to test the power output of the Zastone Z-218 mini mobile radio. So, without further ado, let's check the power. So, okay, power high. So, let's check on 144 megahertz. So set on, okay, 60 watts power. Okay, about 20 watts. Okay, 20 watts output power. So let's try on 145. Okay, same. Okay, 20 watts. 146. Okay, same as 20 watts. So let's try on 147. Okay, 148. So let's try on low power. Set on low. Okay, let's try on 144. So let's adjust to 15 on the lower part. So less than 5 watts on 145. Okay, less than 5 watts on 146. Less than 5 watts, 147. Okay, almost 5, 148. Okay, almost 5 watts. So on mid power, so there is high, mid, and low power. So let's go on mid power. Okay, 144. On mid power, let's adjust to, okay, let's set on 15. The high power is on 20, so go to 15. Let's try. So almost 10 watts on 148. So on 147, okay, almost 10 also. 146. Okay, almost 10. 145, almost I guess 8 or 9. On 144, okay, same as the 145. Actually fellow hams, the power supply I'm using is a DC adjustable power supply, a switching power supply, and running on, okay, 13.5 volts. So let's set on, so first let's turn off the radio, switch off, adjust. Okay, let's set on 13.8. Okay. So let's try again. Turning on. So on high power, set on high power. So menu selection number 10. So let's set on high. Okay, so let's go to, okay, 60. It's more than 20. Yes, 20, less than 21 watts on 145. Okay, still the same. 146. Okay, still the same. Let's try on 143. okay, more than 20. So 145460, which is the 2-meter band amateur frequency of the Scan International here in the Philippines, the 145.460 megahertz. So let's try on high power. Okay, it's about 20 watts, exactly 20 watts. Okay, so let's try on low power. Yes. Okay, almost 5. So technically the Zastone Z-218, the high power is on 20 watts on VHF, and on mid power is about 10 watts, and the low power is about 5 watts or less than 5 watts. So it's a big difference to other handheld radios that we are using, common HTs with 5 or 10 watts. So this mini mobile radio is very excellent on its power output. So 20 watts is a big difference other than some 10 watts or 5 watts handheld radios. So for now it's VHF frequencies only. We don't have a dual band antenna, so I guess in the near future we're about to have a dual band external or aerial antenna, outdoor antenna, to test the VHF band. So okay, let's try, hoping it works and it won't damage the radio. So let's try on 430. So let's transmit on low power. Okay, so on high, let's try on high power. Okay, high power is less than 20. Okay, so 440. See, I guess 18 watts. 14, okay, 435. Okay, so let's back on 145460. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you, fellow hams. 73 and pabuhay.